we are going to start with the lesson number 13, The Tempest. Words meaning. First word is spirits, supernatural creatures such as elves and fairies. Then second word is entrusted, made him responsible for. Third word is duke, a male member from a family of high social rank. Fourth word is dukedom, area governed by a duke. Fifth word is province, a pale for food items and clothes. Now the sixth word is grave faces with serious looks. Next word is spy, person who secretly watches and reports on others. Next word is almost out of their senses, nearly gone mad. Next word is filled with remorse, deeply sorry, repentant man who regretted their deeds, distress, great pain or suffering. Next word is quaint, attractive in an unusual or old-fashioned way. Next word in a cow slip's bell, I lie in the petals of a cow slip flower. Last word is coach, sleep. Now children, lesson number 13, difficult words. First one is magician, second is invisible, third is struggling, fourth anxious, fifth prodigious, sixth description, seventh astonished, eighth harshly, ninth exhausted, 10th weariness, 11th assured, 12th buried. Now children, we are going to start with the poem number 14, the Laburanum. Now this is written by the Meera Oberoi, and here in this poem she is telling that how down the road a tree grow, that is laburnum, and it as it has been growing, lots of crow has been sitting on this tree, and now she has been comparing the tree with the crows. The similarity between crows and this tree is that there is nothing special about it. Both are the same, and there is nothing very special about the crow. But here the crow, as it has been crowing, it show its presence, but the tree can't able to show its presence. It has been standing, no sound is there. And then this tree becomes special in summer, monsoon and the windy days. And in summer the golden lights is trapped in itself. In monsoon there is gloom on everything. The wind has been blowing, the golden flowers are dropped by the trees or when the passer by. Now it has been loaded with beautiful flowers, this tree, and as it's dry up, these flowers are falling on the ground, and it has become the attraction for the pass by. Now the thunder grey sky, it glooms out and the sight is very beautiful, and this tree is been untouched and it burns with topaz light. Means when the sun light has been falling on this tree, it just burst out with bright topaz color, and flowers have been shining on the trees, and every person as the passerby has been going, their eyes have been dazzling with the beauty and with the flowers that are on this tree. Even the beggar who has been sitting on the street, that smiles on seeing the tree, and it has been this tree has been untouched by any weather. It shines like a bright topaz, and the tree pleases the beggar by giving him happiness, and he becomes happy and smiles when he sees this tree, and the joy that comes from this tree to this beggar. And the joy has been coming to this beggar with not any cost. Means he is getting this happiness, this joyness from this tree without any cost. He had not to pay to this tree or anybody to buy happiness or joy. All today for this in this poem, and it has been completed. Be happy and be safe and stay at home. Okay children.